So in this RBC Mobile App tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to open up a joint investment account on the RBC mobile application. So once you open up RBC, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on more. Once you're here, I want you to scroll down to where it says products and press on open an account. Once you're here, I want you to press on investments. Now on this page, you can select whatever you're looking for. So in regards to opening up a joint investment account, this works for self-directed investing, RBC Investees, or RBC Royal Bank. So for this demonstration, I will just press on RBC Direct Investing. Now to open up a joint investment account, I want you to scroll down to where it says choose your account, and there's a bunch of different account options. So if you go ahead and expand all, this can be a cash investment account. So a joint investment right here, invest along with another applicant and enjoy easy access to your money when you need it. So this of course is two applicants. This also works for a margin investing account. This also works for, I believe, a couple other ones as well, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong. Like, I guess a group investment account would work as well. But yeah, this one, joint accounts. Joint investment accounts, joint investment margin accounts, joint investment group accounts, or joint group investment accounts on margin. So if you wanted to, for example, open up a joint investment account with your partner, sibling, friend, etc., you can go ahead and press on continue and then follow with the steps that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to open up a joint investment account on the RBC mobile app. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.